Shorelunch at Aikens is a big deal. We pride ourselves on making sure that every day is a new experience, a new flavor, a new recipe. We have right now 13 sites around the lake, so you get a change of scenery, and we've picked some of the best spots on this lake to have. Every Shorelunch site is equipped with propane burners to speed things along. We want our Shorelunch to be in and out in 90 minutes, no matter what the group size is. Another part of the uniqueness of our Shorelunches is that it doesn't matter what the weather is like. We've actually, out of all our sites, there's 3 that have covered spaces. It also keeps you out of the sun if it's a hot day. The shade is just as important as the protection from the rain. So we probably have, I don't know how many different recipes for fish, at least 15, different ways to prepare them. There's 3 staple recipes that we've always had. We've always done a beer batter, we've done a lemon pepper mix, and then we've mixed our own cajun. I don't know where my parents found this recipe, but it's 14 different parts. We mix it ourselves. That's been an Aikens staple for a long time. And the guides know that if you're here for 3 or 4 or 5 days, that we don't want the same fish being served 3 or 4 or 5 days. We want that variety for our guests. And you know, when you're out on the shore and you've got the wind blowing the waves in and you're eating fish that you just caught maybe 30 minutes before or 2 hours before, you know, the eagles are soaring and the sun's out, and there's just nothing like it. It's just so unique to have that type of a meal that it's an amazing part of the Aikens experience.